Hey, it's Locksmith here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and change the video here. Do another battery change on your remote. This is for your 3-button flip key remote. Let's go ahead and hit your release button. Now that it's open, you'll notice inside here, you'll have the seam of the 2 halves, and you'll see you do have a little line here. This corner right here is where you want to go ahead and put a little bit of pressure with your finger. So let's go ahead and push outward. And you notice the cover just came off. With that coming open, this battery in here is going to be your CR2032 battery. And we're going to see if we can do it with our finger. Sometimes it will let us, and this one did let us. So with that, I'll show you again. You push down on the battery, push towards this direction, and you notice the battery pops up. We are using new remotes on these videos, so we'll go ahead and just reinsert the same battery. Go ahead and put it in. You notice the battery didn't stay? I'll show you why. This is what you got to watch for. So go ahead and push it in, push down, and then slide it back. So you're going to push the battery so it gets under here. Then once it gets under, pull back on the battery so it latches under here. There's that little piece of plastic that's going to hold the battery down. But if it wasn't in right, the battery would be popped up, so you'll know you'll need to redo it. Go ahead and take your 2 halves back together. So we'll put the back half back on and go ahead and gently squeeze the 2 together. Go ahead and put the flip blade back in, and there you go. You just changed the battery on your 3-button flip key remote. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith.